If you're seeing the message you need the official WhatsApp to log in, it's likely because you're using a modified version of WhatsApp like GB WhatsApp, WhatsApp Plus, or any unofficial app. These versions aren't supported by WhatsApp and can cause login issues. Let me walk you through how to fix it and get back in. First of all, uninstall the modified version of WhatsApp from your phone and don't panic, we'll back up your chats before doing that. If you can still open the unofficial WhatsApp, go to the settings, then tap on chats. After that, go into chat backup and tap on backup to save everything to your Google Drive or iCloud. Now, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the official WhatsApp Messenger, the one made by WhatsApp LLC. Once installed, open WhatsApp and log in using your phone number. When prompted, restore your chat backup so you don't lose your conversations, and that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.